Hello Year 9s, this presentation will explain to you what we can offer you in computer science at Longsands. So GCSE Computer Science is an academically challenging course which suits students best who enjoy science and have a good mathematical ability. Students completing this course will be equipped with the logical and computational thinking skills that are necessary to succeed beyond the GCSE. This course has a real relevance to the modern world. While students will no doubt already have some knowledge of computers and the related areas, and have covered some of this in Key Stage 3, this course will give you an in-depth understanding of how computer technology works and a look at what goes on behind the scenes. As part of this, we will investigate computer programming, which many students find interesting. Through this study of computer programming, the course will help you to develop critical thinking, analysis and problem-solving skills. For many, it will be a fun and interesting way to develop these skills, which can be transferred to other subjects and even applied to everyday life. This is a course that will stimulate interest and engagement with technology and technology-related careers. So why choose GCSE Computer Science? Well, our subject really has real breadth, so it looks at so many different areas of computing. We look at algorithms in more detail than you have at Key Stage 3, where we look at how we can really work to plan out programs for computers to solve problems. We learn more in-depth tools when it comes to programming with Python. We look at data representation and how a computer can understand everything we need them to. We look at the computer hardware we use, at networking and how we communicate, at cybersecurity, at databases, including SQL programming. And then we look at the wider world impact that computing can have. So the impact it has on the environment, what ethics apply, what laws are there, and also the developments that these new computing technologies that continue to grow are going to have on the future, including things like AI development. Beyond this GCSE is a world of possibilities. Technology continues to develop and our industry continues to grow. A career in computing could be focused in so many different areas, from games development, website and app development, cybersecurity and data analysis, AI development, robotics, even computer forensics, network management, and much, much more. Post-16 opportunities for sixth form and careers are really well placed and supported by this GCSE. The GCSE course gets students working with real-world practical programming techniques and provides them with a good understanding of what makes technology work. It was developed collaboratively with teachers, industry and the wider computer science community. This GCSE has built-in progression to help further studies and is recognised as in developing the skills that employers value. This GCSE will provide students with the skills, knowledge and understanding to progress onto our Btec Level 3 Computing for Creative Industries qualification, which provides students with an in-depth knowledge of the industry and of practical skills and experience that employers and universities are looking for.
I like the coding part of it, as I feel like coding is something that's going to be used a lot in the future. And also the theory part of computer science does really interest me a ton. I think we cover a range of topics, including we sometimes do network, and cybersecurity is one I really do enjoy as it's interesting.
I've really enjoyed cybersecurity and the programming side of that as well. When you get it right, it just feels really rewarding as well, because you just go, yay, I actually figured this out on my own or my other teammates. Digital Divide project is where we're working on laptops and computers that need fixing for people that are less fortunate, who need computers, especially in these times with COVID. We've just been fixing them up, getting really good experience working on these laptops and computers, which will really help with just problem solving in general, and like in the future applying for jobs, and just gives you a really nice experience.
So the assessment for this GCSE is split into two parts. Paper 1 focuses on the computational thinking and problem solving skills that you'll learn from studying about algorithms and programming. This will include some programming written in the exam and the theoretical knowledge that supports the concepts and logic of programming. This comprises of a 2-hour written exam and is worth 50% of the total mark. To support this, there is a non-examined assessment element that we will do during the course of your studies. We will get you working towards scenario-based programs that will enable you to really understand the full life cycle of software development. These skills that you will learn in these projects will really support your understanding and knowledge to be successful in the Paper 1 exam. Paper 2 again is a written assessment, and it includes all the other theory topics. So data representation, computer systems, networks, cybersecurity, databases including SQL, and the ethical, legal and environmental impacts. And this is an hour and 45-minute written exam and counts for the other 50% of your total marks. The course is a really enjoyable course. It has so much that you get to learn and cover that by the end of it you will feel really experienced and knowledgeable in computer science, which, regardless of whether you continue with the subject, will help you have a better understanding of the things that we experience in our everyday lives with technology. We look forward to welcoming you onto the GCSE course. Thank you.